Welcome, and film is a Sharp D10, and today I will show you how to format the SD card on the device. So to get started, you want to go into the settings, and from settings into the storage. So just find it. So it's other settings and storage settings. Just scroll all the way down. You should see at the bottom your SD card right here, how much of it is available and used, and then below it you will have erase SD card. So tap on it, then you have a message that will basically remove everything that is on the SD card, which for me is literally nothing. But if you have some things that you would like to keep that are located on the SD card, you might want to transfer them to your computer or somewhere else, so they will not be removed in the process. But once you're ready, you can just tap on erase and format, get a process of it, progress bar, and once it's finished, the SD card will be immediately ready to be used again. So right now, and it's done. So that is how you would format the SD card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.